Well, here's a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT Convertible with just 21,000 miles. That's right, this is a beautiful car, and we're ready to help you put it in your driveway today. It's torch red on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and it has a beautiful ebony convertible top. Under the hood, 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $4,205 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. In case you don't know, this has heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats, universal garage door transmitter, and it also has the Bluetooth package. Now, the Grand Sport package includes the revised shock, stabilizer bar, and spring specifications, the Z06 style sized wheels, tires, and brakes. The car has wider fender panels and quarter panels, and the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter as well. The Z06 style front bumper and performance axle ratio. This car has dual mode exhaust, chrome wheels, has that Bose stereo system with navigation, and it also has steering wheel controls. Comes with OnStar, compass, auto dimming mirrors, HID headlights, and of course everything is power on this car. It has the electric rear hatch pull down. Just a beautiful car. It has ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, the car comes with a clean Carfax. As we've already said, it's loaded with options. This car, again, shows just 21,476 miles. It's in nice condition. Car's paint is in very good with a great shine. Convertible top is in very good condition, and those factory chrome wheels look absolutely great. The interior of the car, well, it shows very good factory leather seats, good steering wheel, door panels, center console, and additions to this car include the silver Grand Sport Heritage style stripes as well. It has window tint and mild to wild remote fobs for the factory dual mode exhaust. This car has been carefully serviced. It is ready to be sold and delivered to you. And by the way, we have made our business an online business. That's how we started. It's called buyavet.net. You can check our website. You can talk to our experienced sales representatives. And then buying online is something you can do with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. We're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope you'll stop by and see us. It's almost like a Corvette museum here. We have a large selection of Corvettes. Give us a call, 770-414-5552, and we'll help you with any of the Corvettes we have in stock here. If you'd like to know more about the pricing and see beautiful photos of this car, be sure to check the link in the information right below this video. Again, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to see you or hear from you really soon.